My friend hit my car. Yeah, you are. She goes on Hinge to get free weed. Yep. We're stimulated because your bag is no longer on your shoulders. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make shrimp tacos. We're making a TikTok. Actually, I think most of my views are me. I'm on my way to Phuong's because Samad's in town. He actually surprised us last night, and I'll leave the little clip of the surprise. What? What the fuck? We were gonna FaceTime you. Davion actually was in on the surprise because last week he texted the group chat and was like, can we meet up on Thursday? Got an announcement. And this is just a group chat with him, me, and Phuong, okay? And so we're like, what? What could be the announcement? He never does this. And what could be so important that he can text us and we have to wait an entire freaking week? But it was Samad. He was a surprise. It was a good surprise. I haven't seen him since Arizona, so excuse me. We're just gonna go chill and smoke, obviously, and work because I'm on my lunch break now. And I think I'm on my lunch break for another 40 minutes.
Okay. My goodness.
Yeah, it's freezing in here, girl.
I will not turn to 72.
Come on.
I'm gonna bring out the space heater.
Excuse me?
I'm not changing it.
Yeah, you are.
Why?
Wait, what the fuck?
Why are you lame?
I got toys yesterday. This is the Miffy Summer Box series. I don't know what it's called. And then this is Hello Kitty's Anniversary Series 3. I got my Melody. And I don't have this one yet, so woo!
It's such a Disney movie.
Okay.
Who?
Huh?
Sorry.
What?
I don't know why I did that. Inside Out 2, I haven't seen it.
Is it on Inside Out 2?
Is that the emoticons?
Mm-hmm.
I do like that. I love that. I love the first one, I think, though.
I love the first one makes me sad, so I don't want to watch it.
You're right. No, that one had me sobbing. Phuong's neighbor made her tres leches. It's delicious. That's so cute. That's so sweet. You have to stay here forever now. Yeah, the way you looked up, I got scared. Did something happen? I just had a short circuit or something. You said you made no changes to your sandwich? Wow. It looks so beautiful. What a good lunch. How do you like your sandwich?
It's really good.
You got a Long Island.
A Long Beach Club.
I'm about to say, that sounds like an alcoholic beverage. I hate their skimpy little napkins.
They're blind sheets.
They're blind sheets. My goodness. I've had to use so many already. Good morning, world. I need to clean my room. Does it look messy? before I throw into the laundry hamper, I'll show y'all what I got thrifting recently. Got this sweater. I just like big sweaters, especially for the fall and winter time. I got sweatpants. They're in really good condition. Got these juicy pants. Oh my god, they're size 3. They fit my neck, so really into the mid-rise straight leg situation. And then Foong found these. They're silver jeans. Look at the pockets. So good. The front, they're low rise. Bottom, it's kind of worn in the back, but that's okay. I like the look. Got this terrible material of a jacket. It is nylon, but it feels really rough. But just a cute, simple black fall jacket. Just a t-shirt. It has a pocket. And another sweater. Should I put my Melody next to Karomi? I got this one last week. Isn't she cute? Watch a K-drama and eat. I got Popeye's wings for free because I had rewards. Delicious. There's a lot of people wearing red. Probably means there's a game today. Home game? Maybe not even a home game. It's just a game today. That's why so many people are wearing red. It's funny because they're all 4 men wearing red in like a trucker hat or baseball cap. I think it's a cap of sorts. I haven't been to a park in such a long time, I feel like. Honestly, I go to the park still, but last year, what are they doing? There's more people in red. Anyways, I feel like I don't go to the park as often as I used to. Last year, I went to the park all the freaking time. And granted, I know it's been hot because summer, so it's not really comfortable to just sit outside at the park. But, you know, I miss this. My colored book. I love going to the park by myself because I love my own company, obviously. And it's peaceful. And sometimes I meet cool people. I'm coloring Hello Kitty. I got this off Amazon with my Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. Sorry, it's so thick. I'm sorry, I'm so thick. Oh my god. We're watching the season finale of Tell Me Lies.
Oh, I didn't like that. Oh!
She just ate another nigga's dick up. You got me fucked up. If I would have found out about that, I would have had to beat somebody's ass, bro.
Stephen, I'm begging you to please leave us
Girl,
alone.
you did this.
Gotta talk to you for a second. Come on.
Why would you
dumbass?
Why would you leave him alone?
That is-
Why would you leave him alone? He saved that for years.
6 years, nigga.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Tell Me Live is such a good fucking show, y'all. If you haven't watched it,
You guys have to watch it. It's like one of my favorite shows ever.
Yeah,
It's
this
too
season was
good.
crazy. So the other day, my friend hit my car because he was backing up and didn't see me because I do have a small car. But yeah, I wasn't paying attention when he backed up, so I couldn't honk at him. I was on my phone, and then next thing I know, boom, bam, I got hit. And so, you know, I was like, does it look bad? He was like, no, there's not even a scratch. There are cracks. On the way to the store now because I'm making shrimp tacos at my sister's place for lunch. And we have friends coming over, so maybe this. 2 avocados.
But I have another one lined up.
Yes, tell the vlog.
Okay.
She
My
had
hands
a
are
date today.
slick as fuck from lotion. Can you open that?
She had a date today. Well, she has.
Well, I still have a date. It's just with a different guy.
Wait, so you lined up 2 dates today? Or is it because that guy didn't confirm and so you're like, fuck it?
He didn't confirm it, so I just asked someone else to hang out.
She's on Hinge now, by the
And
way.
then after that date, this other guy's gonna come over and we're gonna garden and drink.
Oh, and drink.
Yeah, but okay, so the other guy, the second guy is coming at 9 and I'm trying to see if like, okay, I don't want to put names. I'll say it. R wants to hang, like, you know, a normal date or whatever. But Q wants to hook up, and I want to hook up. So, and he wants to hang out around 9. So I'm trying to see if like R will hang out at like 6 or something. I don't know if that's pushing it. It could be, but
Who's R? I'll cut it out.
he's been MIA. But she said to give him until Monday because he just came back from vacation. But
Period.
while we were smoking yesterday, I was talking to this other guy, and he asked me what I was doing. So I was like, I'm here smoking with friends. And then this motherfucker, this man is a simp. He says, I want to smoke you out so bad. I want to give you a quarter so we can just roll and smoke and hang out. I was like, damn.
Y'all know how people go on Hinge to get free food? She goes on Hinge to get free weed.
Yep. Anyways, my favorite boy, I have plans tomorrow. And when that's over, I'm deleting Hinge. It's just like, I don't know, I think he wants to take it slow too, so I'm trying to be patient. But I want this man so bad.
I think it sounds like she's gonna be in a relationship. Which is fine. He sounds great.
He's so nice.
I had a nice guy once.
If I do get into a relationship, I hope he's the one. My next skater boy. Yeah, I think he likes me too.
She's liked him since May.
Yeah, and I think like he likes me too.
She liked him since May, but he was MIA for 2 months.
Yeah. And I shipped back up. And here we are. Hanging out
Unfortunately,
every
that was
weekend.
not my love story. I get ghosted for 3 weeks, and then
He comes back.
comes back, and he ghosts me again for another 3 weeks.
I'm dead. He asked about me when I was literally bummy as fuck.
Girl, that's how you know he thinks you're fine. Am I right?
Girl, I'm about to say fucking bye Glossier you. The new ones, have you guys smelled the new ones?
Yeah, I asked them questions. Let's see if anybody responds to me. And that's okay, I love y'all anyway, because at least you guys watch my vlogs. Actually, I think most of my views are me.
Her views
I love watching my vlogs. I love my friends.
Yeah.
I love watching our moments together. We just watched our Texas vlog because we came up on a year since Texas, so please watch it. Right here. Right here, actually. Somewhere above here is like the info card.
Village Point has Glossier you in stock for same day pickup.
Yeah, I saw that. They don't have it for
She would
shipping.
know that.
I looked. I wanted it so bad. But I spent so much fucking money.
But she can ask a certain someone to pay her back. She doesn't want to.
Unfortunately, I don't want to contact that man.
It's $300, you guys. Comment down below if she should message it. I say yes. That's a lot of money. Imagine all the blind boxes you could get.
I say fuck the money. Sorry.
And honestly, there's like a 9 out of 10 chance that he's gonna ignore her.
Honestly, I feel like it's 10 out of 10 he's gonna ignore me. What the fuck?
All in the moment, but they're so sore right now.
Ow, my dainty little girl hands. It hurts. Do you ever feel just so overstimulated because your bag is no longer on your shoulders? Fuck.
These jeans are cute.
Thanks, I thrifted them.
I really like
They're
them.
men's pants.
They're really cute. Now we're about to take the longest walk ever to Stacy's apartment.
Yeah, y'all about to see a never-ending hallway. So yellow.
She always says what I say.
She always says what I say. And she always says, what the fuck? I'm having a stroke. She always says it in the same tone as me too. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Like, what the fuck? And it's like, you don't, mine does too. You do not feel like you're getting it any closer. Oh my god. But like the, we made it. We made it. Victory. Hi. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make shrimp tacos. First, we saw shrimp. Second, I'm making her chop shit. I hate chopping shit. Same.
Damn,
Oh,
Damn, girl.
y'all didn't see that, but I dropped 2 lines.
You want me to cut this one too, right?
Yep.
You better
The
cut.
ripest.
You better cut out most of me struggling to cut this damn cabbage.
Now I'm leaving it in there. Oh my god, look at this perfect onion. Y'all, I love red onions.
That is a beautiful one.
It's focusing on you because you're so beautiful.
Okay, accidentally dice them? Not accidentally, they
You
just
know,
diced. But
I
like,
love that you said that. Taste test.
This is really good.
Thank you. It's prickly pear syrup and tropical red bull. I'm putting a quart's worth in a bowl of buttermilk. And then we're gonna season it.
It's 12:50.
Okay, we'll do 15 minutes.
I was gonna say, as long as the batter is seasoned, we'll be fine.
Is it nice outside?
Yeah.
Beautiful out.
Beautiful.
That people, a lot of people don't watch it.
I need to get my. I just got this new cancel if you need it to shit. Fire. You're scheduling. It might be enough to see what I need.
Yeah.
We're making a TikTok.
Sure, which one? This one? I don't know. I don't know. How do we? Yeah, that makes sense. I messed up. I did too. At the end. That's cute. It's cute? Okay. Wow, I could have been making fun.
I'm about to make, for some reason, they don't believe me when I say spicy mayo is just Kewpie mayo and sriracha. After I heard him tumble. Oh, it was a big whoosh sound, which that was what was the fire, the whoosh. And then I heard a big ass thud like a machine falling, but it was bad.
Oh my god. That's insane.
Wait, do you even like this orange one?
No, I don't. Countdown. Come on, y'all.
Yay!
Scary.
No, I haven't.
Was that it? I never saw that. We watched that.
Oh, God.
Once, I think, at a sleepover when I was like 12.
Look at my dirty shirt. Dirty AF. I don't know when that happened, how it happened. Time to go find some blind boxes. The trees are gorgeous. She's the one I'm after. Blind box time. Where's... Here we are. I'm for sure gonna get dressing, but I wanted one Miffy too. What the fuck? Why isn't it focusing?
Another Miffy, are you serious?
Yeah. So I was gonna get 2 blind boxes. God, this is so hard. I need 3 from this series. These 3. No, I have that one. This one. Oh, I need 2. Uh-oh. My chances just got slimmer. And then this one, I have this one, and this one, and this one, so I have... Uh-oh. I gotta take a risk. Gosh, dang it. I want the bear so bad. Alright, I bought 3 blind boxes. Snisky dressing. Don't have any of that series, so...
I turned her into a monster.
Dang, it keeps... Oh my fucking... Anyways. And then I just started collecting these, and I have My Melody and Kuromi.
Doki doki.
So... I want any and all. I really want Hello Kitty, but Kuropi's cute. Kuropi?
Yeah.
And Pachako?
Mm-hmm.
Pachako's cute.
I love Pachako.
What is this? Pom-pom?
Pomperine.
Pom-pom-perine. Cinnamoroll's cute too. She only realized recently that it's a puppy.
Did not know it was a puppy.
Yeah, she thought it was a mystical creature.
Yeah, because I couldn't
Valid.
figure out what animal she was.
But the one I really want to get out of the way is my Miffy, because I have 3 of them already, so now I need the other 3.
I need to wash my arm because it smells like fucking onion.
Yeah, I smell. Yeah, the whole time I was in there, I was like, I'm not musty. I know it's not me, but it's musty.
Oh my god, my arm.
Dang, I just have this feeling that I'm gonna be disappointed. Oh no. Yes,
So cute.
I was telling her I really wanted the one with the me.
Oh my god.
Maybe has not given me repeats. So cute.
Alright. You get the point.
Yeah. So cute.
Can you open the other ones?
You want me to open the other ones? Okay.
What else did you get?
I'll open the other ones. Might as well since we're here. Which one? Sissy.
Yeah, which one?
This is dressing. You have the pant one, don't you?
Yeah.
I like the pant or the sweater where it's like this.
Oh. What is it?
Pants! Now we're twins!
I want the sweater.
Are we ready? This camera's dying too. Fuck. Whoa!
Oh my
Wait,
god!
This is cute.
Oh, she got the little twin stars.
Little twin stars.
Wait, that's cute.
Oh, that's so cool.
Like the horse?
Yeah.
No, the unicorn?
Oh,
The
yeah,
unicorn.
the unicorn. That is so
Hey!
cool. We're sitting in her parents' driveway doing. Oh, I changed my shirt. It was dirty. It's just
very
another white
dirty.
shirt. But we've got our shoes.
They sent me the wrong shoe. Okay, let's see. No, the fuck they didn't.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Can y'all tell? It's faded purple. It's not taupe. Can y'all see? No, y'all can't. What the fuck? I should put my other foot on.
They're so cute.
Okay,
I love them.
Show the people. Oh, you put both of them on. You were ready.
Yeah, because they're just slip on.